With the arrival of fully wireless security cameras, it's now possible to add protection to your home or business without breaking the bank. Despite not being the leader in this field, Noorio has been competing with major players such as Arlo, Google Nest and Amazon Ring, offering a range of options at affordable prices. Their latest offering is the Noorio B210. It is a security camera boasting a full 2K video quality and customizable motion detection settings straight out of the box. So let's take a look at this little guy and first start by unboxing it. So in the box you get everything you need to get this up and running. You get the security camera, a magnetic mount, screw mount, charging cable, screw pack and instruction manuals. This option for a security camera offers two mounting choices, the first one being a magnetic mount and the second one being a permanent fix. Because this camera is suited for both indoor and outdoor use, with also an IP66 protection rating that can withstand harsh weather conditions, you can install this practically anywhere. The magnetized base means you can place it on something magnetic without having to screw it into place. So I was going to install this outside, so I decided I was going to use the screw-in mount. All you really need to do is screw it into place and then screw the camera on top. Setting up the camera is as easy as possible, simply connect it up to the same network and access the mobile app from anywhere in the world. The app allows for live monitoring and instant notifications when motion is detected. The Noorio B210 outdoor security camera delivers high quality video footage in full 2K resolution, even in low light conditions. The camera's night vision capabilities include black and white vision, a motion censored spotlight option, and full forced color. By having 3 different options, you're able to choose the one that fits for you. If you have the spotlight one, you're obviously going to lose a little bit of battery life each time that's been activated, but it is an essential one if you want to gather evidence. Customizable motion detection capabilities allow for sensitive level adjustments and the ability to remove unwanted motion detection in certain areas of the frame. So if I want to offer my neighbours a bit of privacy, I can scribble out their part of the frame and ensure I'm only focused on the road coming up to my house. The camera also has two-way audio, which provides a clear sound quality both ways. And this comes in very useful when you have a delivery. Hey, sorry, I'm actually not home now. Is it possible you can place the parcel around the front, please?
Yeah, no problem.
By providing audio feedback, you have the chance to discourage any potential intruders and also communicate with your neighbours or delivery drivers. It's undeniable that the Noorio app is excellently designed and provides a wide range of features such as a battery-saving option and adjustable motion sensitivity. One of the advantages of the Noorio B210 outdoor security camera is its ease of positioning. You can place this practically anywhere. Additionally, because the camera is wireless and battery powered and comes with 16GB of local storage, it makes it very convenient to set up and operate without worrying about cords and wires or finding a nearby outlet. There is the option for cloud storage, but it is not essential, as that 16GB of local internal storage does a fantastic job at ensuring you always get loop recording. Overall, the Noorio B210 outdoor security camera is a reliable and cost-effective option for security monitoring. With all of its smart features, this is sure to be an absolute steal for the price. Be sure to check out this product in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.